Hey guys, today's video is going to be a Poshmark quick tip. Today I'm going to be talking about closet clear out and how to use it effectively. So closet clear out is this little thing that Poshmark has. It's like every couple of days. I feel like they always do it on Fridays, which is genius because a lot of people get paid on Fridays. I think they had it on Monday too. I don't really know exactly when it is, but it's like every couple of days. So with closet clear out, what Poshmark wants you to do is to go through your listings and lower your prices by at least 10%. The kicker is that it has to be 10% lower than its lowest price that it's ever been. Okay, so let's say you have like a pair of pants and you listed them at $20. A week later, you lowered it to like $15. And then nobody bought it, so you, for some reason, brought it back up to like $17. Even though it's currently at $17, it has to be 10% off $15 because that's the lowest price that that pair of pants has ever been. Does that make sense? If you do that, Poshmark will give the buyer $4.99 shipping. Usually when you give discounted shipping, it comes out of your earnings, but with Closet Clear Out, it comes out of Poshmark's bank account. So that's really awesome. I love being able to give discounts to people and not having to offer shipping discounts. You can also do that by bundling things, which I will talk about in a different video. So yeah, so Closet Clear Out has been very, very, very successful for me. I think yesterday, although yesterday was kind of a bad example because I didn't really, I was super busy yesterday and I didn't really have time to focus on it. I did lower my prices and I think I only made 8 sales yesterday, which is not a lot for me. That's not a lot. My last Closet Clear Out, I think I made over 20 sales in one day. So yeah, it's definitely a great thing and I definitely recommend taking advantage of it. Okay, so let's say you have the pants listed for $20. Closet Clear Out comes around, you have to lower it by at least 10%. So you have to lower it by at least $2, so $18. So let's say Closet Clear Out comes, you know, you get some likes on it, nobody purchases it, so you have it still listed at $18. After Closet Clear Out, you can go ahead and change the price again. You can bring it back up to $20 if you want, or you can leave it at $18. Okay, so let's say a couple days pass and Closet Clear Out happens again and you want to get rid of that pair of pants. So you're like, shit, I gotta lower it by 10%. So now you gotta lower that pants by another 10%. So 10% of 18 is like $1.80. So let's just say $16. Nobody buys it. The next Closet Clear Out comes around and you're like, I don't want to lower it anymore because then I really won't make much of a profit. What do? That's what a lot of people have a problem with because they're like, they feel stuck. They don't know what to do because they're like, I've already lowered it this much. What do I do? Guys, the answer is simple. You relist the item and then you can put it at any price you want and it starts over from scratch. Yes, you'll lose the likes that you have on that item. It's not really a big deal because if you have an item with 20 likes on it and it's still sitting in your closet, what's the point of having the 20 likes on it? That's a super easy solution if you have a bunch of items that are already at a low price and you want to participate in Closet Clear Out again, but you don't want to lower those prices anymore. I'm actually in that situation right now. I need to spend probably later today going through my closet and relisting things because I've got things at like really low prices and I mean, my stuff is already super affordable, but I still need to make profit, you know? So I do need to go through my listings and relist something. Oh, so I forgot to mention a really important part. So during Closet Clear Out, when you lower a price on something, let's say you have that pair of jeans, let's say there's 20 people that have liked that pair of jeans, all 20 of those people will receive an email notification saying that you lowered the price of that item and saying that they're eligible for a shipping discount. But yeah, I think that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Comment down below and let me know if you have any questions. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.